Good day, everyone. My name is Leandro Santorna, along with my group mates Marvin Mallorca, Mike Andrew Zambales, and Joyce Ann Frias. And today we will discuss our system named HiTech.
First thing we discuss is the login module. Before you log in, you have to click the sign up button to create your account as a customer. And you fill up this personal information, first name. For example, say write Marvin, the last name is Mallorca. And phone number is 0956 307 307 5138. And the email is jm.mallorca@gmail.com. And in the username, I write Mallorca John. And the password is Mallorca05. And next is the delivery address, which is street address is 787. And in barangay is Huyo. And city is Mandaluyong. And the zip postal code is 1550. And then create your account, explore. And sign in the username, Mallorca John. And the password is Mallorca05. Then log in. Then log out. I will sign in the seller account, which is HiTech is the username, and the password is HiTech 2023. Then log in. Then log out again. I sign in the admin account, which is username is admin, and the password is also admin. Then log in. Log out. Then forget password in case you forget the password. Enter your username as an customer account, which is Mallorca John. And your phone number is 0956 307 5138. Then proceed. And the new password is Marvin05. And confirm Marvin05. And then reset password.
So next po is yung username Mallorca and the password is Mallorca05 and Marvin05. So here in the bio display, here you can see the homepage of our shop and also the shop profile, cart, and orders. So here in the profile button, here you can change all details you input earlier. For example, you made a spelling mistake in your user. Here you can change it as long as you press the edit button. And also you can change the username, password, email, phone number, and address by clicking the edit button. So next is the shop. Here in the shop, there you will see the items or products for sale. And when you click on the product you want, you will see the description of that product and the quantity you will buy and click add to cart. So for example, click Asus gaming monitor. And the quantity below, enter 2 quantity or pieces of Asus monitor. So next is I want to buy in the next page of 3 pieces of mouse razor Orochi. So next is in the cart. Here in the cart you will see the product you bought, which is product name and unit price. So first you need to choose the payment type, if Paymaya, GCash, or credit debit card. So for every payment we have additional rate. So GCash and Paymaya have a 2% additional rate and credit and debit card have a 3.5 additional rate. So if you click credit and debit card with 3.5 additional rate, there will be a prompt to enter your card details. So 453 924 6477 518 501. So in the compute total amount, here you will see the subtotal and the total amount of your product that you want to buy, and you will know here how much everything you bought. So next is the edit quantity. Here you can edit if there is too much or too little of the piece of your product purchase. So for example, you bought too much mouse and you want to reduce your purchase. So here in the edit quantity you will do. So a while ago I bought 2 mouse and I'm just going to make it 1. So save changes. So in the clear selected items, here you can delete if you don't like the product. That added to the cart. So you can delete product here. So product Asus. And click selected item. And next is the clear cart. It is almost the same as the clear selected items, but here when you press the click cart, everything you ordered will be gone. So click clear cart. So let's proceed to shop again and order the product I want. So I want a 2 piece of AMD Ryzen 7 and 1 piece of Asus TUF gaming monitor. Add to cart. And click compute total amount. You can also see all the details you made when ordering the product. You will see payment method, subtotal, and total amount, and also amount tendered and change. And everything is okay. Click place order.
Next is order display for buyer, wherein there is a view all button where you can view all of your orders. Also, it displays all of the status of your items, whether it is pending, ship, and delivered. Next is ship orders button, which to view detail your order that has already been shipped out. Next is view pending order button, which you can see all orders that need to verify before shipping out and delivered. Then the view delivered orders button, where you can see the status of the items if it's already delivered to buyer destination point. Last, the view details button, where you can see the summary of your order detail and if you want to raise an issue for your. After you click that, the item return form will show to the screen and it will show all of the valid reasons. Here you can see the allowable reasons to request for return. Damaged items, if the product is not working as intended or not functioning. Late delivery of items, if delivery is not in the time frame. Delivered wrong goods, the product or variation you have received is incorrect, then item no longer needed. and goods did not match proper description. Then if you selected your valid reason, you can now submit an item return request by clicking the Submit Item Return Request button. Then we will proceed to Seller Display. We need to log out to the buyer dashboard and log in as seller to view the Seller Display module for viewing the status of the return request of the buyer. Now, as assigned as seller, you can now see the dashboard seller view, wherein you can see the status of or representation of total number of buyers, total number of order made by buyers, total product sold, and total revenue. Next, the product display. You can click View All button, which will display all of the stock items, whether it is pending, shipped, and delivered. Next, the View Low Stock button. It displays the lowest stock in the inventory. Then the Update Price button. If you want to modify or change the price of certain product, you can update the price.
My name is Anderson Torno from YouTube. Now, I will now discuss the remaining parts of the program, starting from the sales page. The sales page here, as you can see, offers daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly overview of sales made during the day, week, month, and year. So the page can also comes with a numerical representation of sales made during the week, the day, the month, and the year. So we can see there are buttons like the daily for the daily sales that occurred today, the weekly sales that occurred this week, the monthly sales that occurred this month, and the yearly sales that occurred this month. The yesterday transactions with the product ID SSC001, which will result to this. Now, with the view all, we can see all the related transactions during the system's history. So now we can print data by doing so. Let's say we will print the data of yesterday's sales. So a product generation from crystal reports shall appear. So we can see that this system also features exporting of live sales, as we have done earlier. By clicking the print data and exporting it using crystal reports, as we can see, we have a soft copy of the sales report in this form, and we can export it by doing it here. So let's say print, then we can see here this one. So here we are. You can now see the generated sales for the date of May. The crucial part of this feature for the admins are the backup database. So to back up the database for this system, we can use this, then choose this, and then database backup here. So it will say that the database has been backed up successfully. So to check, you can see here that the backup database from here. Now, to restore the database of a certain point, we can try to access the same database backup from here. We can try to retrieve the database from here, from the May of 8. So once we open this, as we refresh, we can see that there is a significant change where we have the different audit trail and the different total numbers as we restore a database from a certain time frame. So this is all we have in store for today, and we hope that you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you for listening.